Angeles into the evening, until a neighbor came to the door. "It's about to get serious. You need to come have a drink." They tossed down some Johnny Walker Blue Label as he let his new reality sink in. At 5:29 p.m., staff alerted me that the British singer-songwriter Charlie XCX had posted, "Kamala is Brat." Brat was the title of her latest album and identified me with her brand. Edgy, imperfect, confident, embracing. From then on, our rebranded Kamala HQ social media site was awash in her signature color, lime green, and posts supporting us used that color. At 10 p.m., I finally decided it was too late to call anyone else. We had been going for 8 hours. I'd spoken to more than 100 people. Every single call